In this video, we'll show you how to install your laces step by step. Before you start, you need one pair of shoes with the laces removed, one pair of the laces including 2 elastic laces, 2 lock devices, 2 cord clip, and you still need one pair of scissors. We're going to install for one shoe. Then take this as a sample and repeat for the second shoe. First, start lacing up with the elastic laces. The laces will fit through nearly any type of shoes. After you lace up, give the laces a quick adjustment to make sure they are comfortable. Next, press down on the button on top of the lock devices to open the passages, and thread one lace through the openings, and repeat it again to thread another lace. Then, slide the lock devices to the tongue of the shoe. Adjust the laces in the shoes, or stand up to walk around and make sure they are not too tight. When your laces are comfortable, put the excessive laces top with one hand and grab the scissors with the other hand. Cut the excessive lace approximately 3 or 4 inches below the lock devices to leave room for future adjustment. Next, grab one cord clip. Slide the cord clip onto the trim lace ends, with the teeth facing the tongue of the shoes. Align the trim lace ends with the teeth inside the cord clip, and then snap together to secure. Just like that, your shoelaces are installed and you can enjoy your time. The second part, I will show you how to open the cord clip. You need scissors or something sharp as a tool. Take one end of the scissors, insert into the end of the cord clip, and then unclench the cord clip. But please notice that you do not open the cord clip again and again, as it will easily be damaged like this. Thanks.